Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE screenshot not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot option icon and from here open special access. Then here open all files access and from here scroll down and turn on Samsung capture. Now here if you have turned off this button, then turn on Samsung capture button, and after turning on go back and open advanced features. Now here click on motions and gestures and in here turn on palm swipe and capture. Turn on this button and after that go back and open battery and device care and then scroll down and click on software update. Then click on download and install to update your mobile software.